Mostly of our units have got a sequence procedure to start up and shut down procedure. But if you don't have that one, what you need to do is basically every single battery has got a breaker and as well has got a switch on it. You need to switch on the on-off switch. As soon as you switch that one on, you will see the on-off light on the battery in here and all the SOC lights switched on. And you do that on every single battery. That's the first thing you need to do. After you have switched on all the batteries, then you have to switch on the breakers on the battery. You see the main breaker on each battery. After you switch on the main breaker, you will see an alarm light switched on each battery. That is because the batteries are trying to communicate together and to sync together. After a couple of seconds, alarm light will switch off, so you are ready to go now. The second thing you need to do is you need to switch off these breakers inside. So basically these breakers are for the screen, for the DC-DC converter and for the fans. After you switch on those two small breakers, the screen should be on. Each inverter you have a black switch. Usually when you get a Hussh Pod delivered that is in off position, you need to put it into on position on each one of them, and your unit will be switched on. You need to wait 10 minutes to have power on your side, on your cabins. If you can't wait 10 minutes, you need to switch on the generator, and basically after 10 minutes the battery will be able to provide you with output power.